So, what we're gonna do today... Yikes, so much water. Is there a flood near... Wait, why is there water over there? Do you know why?
And there's a village ahead. What?
How do you know that?
It's probably just one tiny block of water. It's one tiny block. No!
A flood?
A flood this time.
No way. No.
Ah!
You're burning. This isn't easy at all. This is terrible.
I'm gonna get the stuff from this chest.
Clear out the water with all your sponges. This is way easier than the forest fire last video. Yikes. Come on.
I'm putting these ultimate boots on. These ultimate enchanted golden boots.
Oh no, you even got into people's houses. It cleared all the water, but there's still more leaking.
There's also an iron golem.
I just keep getting surrounded by water.
Hi, iron golem. Rain? That's more water dropping from the sky. It's probably gonna make more water.
Hope not. The whole entire place is flooded. No, cat's drowning. I'm gonna save its life though. I already did though.
A cat's driving?
It's drowning. I think. Yes.
I said a cat is driving.
Cats can't drive now.
Cats don't even know how to drive.
Because they're not humans. They're animals.
Plus, cats don't even drive cars or trains. I got iron.
How do I get that one then?
Yo, this is gonna take forever. This is gonna take forever to dry out all the water. It's gonna take like years. This happened 1 year ago and now it happened again.
This is a bad flood.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this bell.
Wait a second. There's a villager out here. No way.
We had to save his life.
Yeah, I don't want anybody dying. I want everybody living.
Let's see what's in this chest. Bro found diamonds.
Can I get some?
Well, don't you like iron more?
I like diamonds too.
Oh. Well, there's only 3. But I guess I'm gonna just give you all of them. Actually, I'm gonna have some too, so I'm gonna give you 2. I'm gonna have 1. There was also an apple. Now I have to check the other house. There's more apples and some iron.
Come on. Stop it.
Where are you?
This is a bad flood.
I bet the villagers died and I bet they was drowning. Oh my gosh. People had to clear the ocean. It's full of water.
The ocean is fine.
Oh.
Yeah. Stop going everywhere, water. Yeah.
I don't have any more sponges. But there's more, man. Wait, I do have more. But I don't care about that.
Ew. We're not sponges, but I still got more. This is terrible.
This is not good.
Yeah. This is a bad flood. There's nothing we can do.
Yeah. Here's the diamonds. There's 2 of them. Here.
Wait. Before you go, I want to share one with you.
One?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Yikes, it went away. Nice.
Did I get it? Oh, I did.
This is terrible. A fire. This is terrible. What type of village flood is this?
I don't know. Water is even worse than lava. Actually, lava is worse than water. Lava is death.
Yeah.
Say goodbye, water. Say hi to the lava instead.
Wait, what?
Because you're never spreading water.
Yeah, we don't need this much water. You'll drown us. Hey, look, a farmer villager needs help. He needs help getting out of here. I'll help you, sir.
I gotta collect this wood. And then I had to make a crafting table to make materials.
This is a bad flood.
I gotta make materials.
Whoa, I saw lightning struck. I don't have a pickaxe though, but I have wet sponges, dude, and that will help clear the water out. Let's see. Yeah, because it's wet. Boom. No, this was terrible.
Okay. So I made shears and an iron helmet.
There's nothing I can do. This is... This water's full of it.
Yeah. At least the rain is about to stop. Yeah, it stopped. That's great.
Yeah, this is terrible. Well, we can't finish this forest fire all the way, so it is time to go, and it's past my bedtime. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Katie's 11. Looks like I'll just leave.